Hi everyone, welcome to Smash That Small Paper Pad Collab 2021. I'm the host for this, and every month on the 25th, typically at 10 a.m. Eastern, we show you what we've done to smash a small paper pad. And I finished the one I was working on last month, so for this month, I pulled out this set of things. The paper pad being Auburn Lane. It says card making paper pad, so that's interesting. There's 24 papers. They're single-sided. I haven't used any of this yet. And I have no idea what I'm going to do with it, but I'm going to try and do something with this for this month. Many of you know I've been in a really bad crafting funk. But I figure this has washi tape, and it has embellishment and ephemera, and I actually have 2 packs of those, 3 packs of those. Oh my goodness, yeah, I have a lot. And then I have stickers, and I have paper clips and little sequins, and I have flowers that go with it. So these all go with this, so I should be able to, with all that embellishments and stuff, I should be able to do something. So that's my starting point for September and probably October, and I will come back and show you what I've done for the month of September. Hi everyone, I'm back. So I used about 9. This paper pad has 24 papers, and every single one of them is different. So you can see them sort of here. They do coordinate for the most part, but they're all a little different. So I used them. I used a little bit of the, I used the ephemera that I thought would be good for cards, and the rest of these are more for journaling. So maybe next month I'll have a journal or something. And also this one I probably won't use because it's November 22nd, 2018. Unless the 22nd is an important date and I can just use that or something. I don't know. But that's where I am with that. I used a couple of the flowers, and I used a few bits of the first pack of ephemera. I probably will never get to the second and third pack. And I used about 9 sheets of paper, except that I do have some scraps from those. And I just got 1 tag and some cards made. This is the first one. It's a 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 card. So this is 4 by 6. The paper is 4 by 8. No, 6 by 8. So 6 is okay for 6 1/4 card, and then 4 this way. This was one of the ephemera, the flower. Oh, and I used washi on quite a few cards. Different washies. So this is the pack of washi that came with this, or came coordinated with it. So 1 tag and a few cards here. The rest of them are A2. This is on Stampin' Up's Blushing Bride, which I felt coordinated with this, and then there's a dark green. This is washi, and then these 3 are ephemera pieces. And on the inside, I used, for this one, I used Very Vanilla with that same washi. And this one, I used sort of a rose gold washi, a strip of wood. So this is one of the papers, this is one of the papers, washi, a strip of the wood grain paper like this. And then this is one of the cut-aparts. And this is one of the flowers, and then there's a piece of ephemera sticking out behind it. And then this one's on, both of these are on Stampin' Up's Thick Whisper White. This one, it's sort of a maroon, this color here. Let's see if I have a piece to show you. It's this dark, sort of burgundy, brownish burgundy color. And then this is one of the cut-aparts and 2 ephemera pieces. I didn't make that very dimensional. And this one is on that dark paper with the floral, and then this is a cut-apart, another piece of the darker paper behind it. And this is twine. This and this, our Retired Stampin' Up! Snail Mail Twine Combo Pack. This is the Blushing Bride, and this has washi also on it, and this one is the Whisper White at the time, the white. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards so far, and a tag, and I kind of went through and paired up the papers. I still have these two, which I can use for card bases, and this can go with something, you know, I have some strips left. But I kind of went through and paired up the papers into twos, which is how I started, and to get me sort of motivated. So I have these two, I think, go well together. Of course, the black stripe even goes with it, but I have the black stripe paired up with that black design. And these are sort of more gray, vanilla and gray. And then I have these, which are black and white, but a little bit muted. And then this one has all the colors in it, the greens and the pinks, and so I paired that with the pink. That sort of looks like it would go with Petal Pink by Stampin' Up! And then here's black and white floral with the houndstooth. And these three I didn't pair up with anything, but I thought they could be used in backgrounds on any of them, really. So, or maybe go with the ones I have here that I didn't use yet. So that's my next step, is to finish making things for next month with this and try and finish the paper pad. I don't think I will use all the ephemera for sure, but yeah, that's where I am. So sorry I didn't smash it, but I just started with it, and I hope to see you again next month. Thanks and be sure to check everyone else out that's in the collab. They'll be linked down below. Thank you so much. Have a great month. Bye.